Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a custom design with exact dimensions. 1920 by 1080 is a good default for desktop. Once done, set your background color or image and enable grid guides so elements align. Upload any photos now and organize them into folders. This speeds the process and prevents clutter. You do this first because alignment and source assets determine composition. Now add a placeholder shape where focal content will sit. This gives you a layout to build on. You layer images, shapes, and text, paying attention to focal hierarchy so the eye moves naturally. Use transparency and blend modes to integrate photos and lock background layers once placed. Make sure to pick a 2-3 color palette and limit fonts to maintain coherence. This keeps the design readable and polished. Use spacing rules and Canva's alignment tools to distribute elements evenly. Finally, test filters and image effects to achieve mood, darker for contrast, lighter for airiness. You finalize by exporting at the correct format and quality: PNG for lossless clarity, JPG for smaller file size. Select high resolution if available. Once exported, install the wallpaper on your device and check that essential content sits inside safe margins and the aspect ratio matches. If the image looks blurry, re-export at a higher resolution or use PNG and confirm no downscaling occurs during device setup. If colors shift, recheck color profile and adjust brightness or contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.